Friendships apparently make us happy and enrich our lives sometimes, if you're hanging out with Alan. But now a new study suggests that mates are not only good for our soul, but they can help us cope with physical pain. Katarina Johnson of the University of Oxford is the lead researcher, and she's been speaking to Alan.
We found that people who were able to endure the pain tolerance test for longer also tended to have larger social networks on average.
Could you just explain those social layers that you refer to?
Yes, so the innermost layer is sometimes called sort of your support group. And this is usually people you contact at least once a week. And these are the people you'd consider, I guess, your closest friends and family, and those people who you'd go to in times of distress. And then in terms of the next second layer, this was anyone else who you roughly contact at least once a month and, you know, are pretty close to. Our analysis found that, in particular, the relationship between pain tolerance and network size was particularly true for this second layer.
Right, and what's that got to do with the endorphins?
Endorphins have been shown in a few previous studies to be really important in our social bonding and our social interactions. So, for example, if you give people a drug that blocks this endorphin system, they report feeling less socially connected. And so we think that perhaps it may be that this endorphin signaling pathway in the brain is linked not only to our pain regulation, but also to sort of how sociable we are and how sort of interested we are in maintaining our social bonds with others.
You know what you told me about endorphins as well?
Go ahead.
That, you know, the second part of fin, the fin part, comes from morphine.
Huh. Interesting.
And you know what that means?
What does it mean?
That it can be more powerful than morphine. So just need a few friends around you.
To get...
So if you know someone in pain and they're close to you, just hang out with them a bit.
Yeah.
Reassure them.
I like that idea.
They'll be fine.
This is Newsday from the BBC World Service with Nkemi Fejika and Alan Kasuja. Soothing your soul since 1989 or something.
What's that?
Well, soothing your pain rather than your soul, yeah. We're a sort of... we're a thing for your pain. That's what we are. Let's get the latest headlines here on the BBC World Service. Scientists in Brazil have told the BBC that the Zika virus may be more dangerous than previously thought, so without possible links, or rather with possible links to a range of neurological